right, y'all. So here's another house that we're looking at. Oh, so this kitchen is really nice. Looks like you have a gas stove. You have plenty of island space. Like plenty of island space and cabinet space. Like this is a lot of home. Well, this is nice. You have like a little office cube area. Let's see what's in here. Oh, you get a lot of storage. That's like perfect for putting Christmas trees because perfect during the Christmas time, but then where do you put that after? This is nice, like a little privacy fence in your backyard. Y'all, this is definitely like a lot of home. And like the fact that this is a townhouse and there's so much space, like that's beautiful. Okay, so you have like a coat closet over here. So basically more storage. Okay, and then here is garage. One car garage. Let's go upstairs. And y'all, this is a 3-floor home. Like, it does not look that way, but it's like a little secret third loft. All right, where do we go? Whew, options. Okay, let's go this way. All right, so here we have a guest bedroom. It's nice size. Okay, this one looks a bit more spacious. Yeah, this looks like you have a bit more space. Cool. All right, and then here I guess is like the bathroom that these two rooms would share. Very nice tub. And this is cute. You get 2 sinks. I love this marble. Like that's really cute. Let's see what's in here. Okay. You have some a linen closet. Okay, you have like dedicated. Whoa. Y'all, I literally just fell. Alrighty, so here's the master. Nice and spacious. Oh, this is super spacious. And look at how big this closet is. Like, this is a huge closet and it has a window in it. Like, yes, this can hold your clothes, but also, you want an office in here? Cool. You want to rip these things off and make a customizable closet? Do it. All right. Here's the bathroom. You have like a separate door for the toilet. Beautiful shower. Cute. Then again, another double sink. Alright, so those are the 3 bedrooms, and then you remember me telling you about that 3rd floor. Here we go. Y'all, look at this. This is like a perfect just entertainment space, or like office. Like, there's so many options of things you can do. Oh, and then here's all your, I don't even know what to call those, innards. That's extreme, but like, you know, the house functional things. So this is the house. So, all right, friends, so that was the, wow, my hair is ridiculous. This is, y'all, it's raining. It's been a struggle bus. It has been a struggle bus, and this is not helping. It's hot and I'm exhausted. Okay, whatever. So that was the house. Tell me in the comments what you think. Like, what was your favorite thing about the house? Honestly, I'm gonna go with, it was just a lot of space. Like, I feel like everywhere you go, there was a lot of storage space, open space. Like, it was just like really beautiful. And definitely like, comment, subscribe. This is a long process of my housing journey, so I definitely want you guys to join. Let me know what you think, and we'll go from there.